monuments and symbolic buildings, barracks, ports, custom houses, tax offices, the presidential palace, ministries, and courthouses. Starting in August 1915, the occupation spread throughout all port cities of the country. Soon, the Americans took total control of the state. The President of the Senate, Philippe Sud d'Artignave, accepted to be enthroned by the occupying power as the titular President of the Republic. American businesses arrived on the island in the wake of the military and claimed the country's meager resources. Franklin Delano Roosevelt was at that time the Assistant Secretary of the American Marine Corps, drafted a new constitution for the Haitian state. This was a diplomatically liberal constitution which would henceforth allow foreigners the right to own land in Haiti.